hope that you have already downloaded the Android Studio, but if not, you can check out the link in the description which shows how you can download it. Once it is downloaded, double click on this file. Click on next. You would also need Android virtual device. Click on next again. This is the location where Android Studio will be installed. Next and install. It will take some time. And it's done. Click on next again and finish. Android Studio will open up, and now you can select between creating a new project or opening an existing project, or you can connect with any other version control system like GitHub or Bitbucket to get your projects from there. And that's it.